My name's Heather Wild, and I am currently a senior data analyst at Stryker Canada. I started my journey in ARiEAL in the reading lab when I was in my undergrad, and I stayed on to do my master's in cognitive science of language, where I did research on word learning using data from a language learning app called Linguist. This is the time to self-promote. It's not the time to be modest, and you really have to put your best foot forward, and you need to really shine and educate people about what your skills are and why you're awesome and what you bring to the table. One of the most common mistakes that people make when they're writing their CVs and cover letters is not tailoring to the job. Every application should really be specific to the job that you're applying to. You want to be using the words from the job description, using the phrases that they're looking for, and really thinking about what skills does this employer need, and then translating what your skills are to that job posting. Biggest tip for how to market your skills for non-academic job postings is go check out the presentation I did last year, where I went through and I did a lot of translating of skills that we have from ARiEAL and different terms that these are known as in the business world, and it just gives you some ideas of how the same set of skills just are known by different things, and it helps you communicate with the employer for like what they're looking for. They don't necessarily know that one-to-one what you've done in your master's or your PhD and what they've been taught and what they're looking for. Skip the AI. When you're using generative AI like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, whatever it is that you're using, these tend to spit out fairly generic responses. They're the most common things that people write in a cover letter or a CV, and that'll just make you more noise in the crowd. What'll make you stand out to your employer is being a genuine, hard-written copy of a cover letter where you're really thinking about who you are, what you bring to the table, and how you fill it, and using your own voice, because that's what your employer is going to be having going forward, not the voice of AI. I recommend you go looking for jobs the same places that just about everybody needs to. There's lots of postings through job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor. You can look on Job Banks Canada. That's a full database of jobs, both government and otherwise, that the Canadian government hosts, as well as doing a lot of working your network or applying direct to employer. Take a deep breath. It's okay. Everybody has to do this at some point. Nobody is particularly skilled at job searching when they start, because hopefully you have a job or you've been in training for a job. So you're all learning how to do this at the same time, and it just takes practice. And hopefully if you get good at it now, you won't need to do too much practice in the future.